this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a S3 bucket inside of AWS. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to aws.amazon.com and then log into your account. Now from here it should be looking something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the search bar, navigation bar, and go up and search for S3 like so. Right here on the services, the first one should be called S1, Scalable Storage in the Cloud. Once from here, you'll simply need to click on it like so. And once from here, it should be doing something like this, where you'll need to go over to the page called Create a Bucket. Once from here, you'll simply need to click Create Bucket down here. And once from here, it should be looking something like this, where we'll need to enter in the general configuration. Once from here, you'll need to choose the bucket type, where you can either choose a general purpose or a directory. From here you can also add the bucket namespace, where you can add a global namespace or an account regional namespace, which is recommended for creating a S3 bucket. Once from here you'll need to add in a bucket name, where you'll need to enter in a prefix for this specific bucket. So from here you'll just need to click in, let's say test4 buckets like so. You'll just need to make sure that it is between 3 and 63 characters long, and the prefix must be unique within your account. You can also click here by seeing other naming rules if you want to do that. Once from here, you'll need to go down, and here you'll be able to copy settings from existing bucket if you want to do that. And here you can just choose that specific bucket and find an overview of all of the buckets you have previously created and just choose that, or you can just go on with creating a bucket. Once from here, you'll need to add in the objective ownership, and down here you'll need to choose the object ownership, where you can either choose the ACL disabled or the ACL is enabled. Just choose which one is most suitable for you. And once from here, you'll need to go down to block public access setting for this bucket, where you'll need to select either block all public access or block simply one of these options down here by clicking like so. Once from here, you'll also need to go down to bucket visioning, where you can disable or enable that if you want to do that. Once from here, you can also add tags for your specific bucket to specify the permissions for a bucket if you want to do that. And from here, lastly, you'll need to add a default encryption, where I can select the encryption type, either server-side encryption with Amazon S3 managed keys, server-side encryption with AWS keys management service keys, or dual layer server-side encrypted with AWS keys management service keys. Once from here, you'll also need to add the bucket key that reduces encryption cost by lowering cost to AWS KMS, as free bucket keys aren't supported for DCCE KMS, like you read right here. So from here, you'll simply need to click disable and enable. And once from here, you'll simply need to click create bucket. As you can see here, successfully created bucket test1 bucket right here. And now from here, you'll be able to upload everything you need to upload inside of your bucket. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!